Okay, we're going to demonstrate the case commander for a simulated kitchen fire at 123 Elm Street. The chief is on scene. He's going to take incident command. So we put his magnet in that slot. We have a kitchen fire. Situation found was the same. Our dispatch time was 13:45. We said 123 Elm Street. Occupancy type is a residential. Construction type is wood frame. Truss is unknown, so we say yes. Sprinkler, no. Special hazards, there's a propane tank in the rear. Okay, our plan is going to be an aggressive interior attack. There's going to be a line in the front door on side A to go to the kitchen. Okay. At this point, engine 1500 is arriving. That's going to be our main fire attack engine. We also had the deputy chief 1950 arrive. He's going to be our operations officer, as well as the captain 1960 is going to be our safety officer. We have the location for the fire attack is going to be the first floor, Division 1. They have 3 members in their crew. So we're going to draw the scene here. It's a basic ranch house, the garage in the rear. Here's the driveway up to Elm Street. There's a sidewalk and a front door. The kitchen's in the rear, and I've determined from my size up walk around that there's a propane tank here. So we're going to monitor that, how close the fire gets to that. Okay, we have a captain is going to be our Division A officer. He's going to take care of things in the front of the house, and we're going to put a Lieutenant 1970 in the rear of the house to monitor the exposure to the propane tank and the garage. We're not going to fill out Division B and D officers at this time. We have no reported victims. We have not started our primary search yet. The rescue company is coming on scene now. They're going to be our search unit. They're also going to go in Division 1, Side A. And they have 4 in their crew. At this time, we're also getting Ladder Air 1150 coming in. They're going to be our vent. They're going to go to the roof. And they have 3 in their crew also. Squad 1270 is going to come in as our fast team, RIT team. They're going to be at Division A, standing by with 5. Now we're going to have staging at Main and Elm, and we're going to have lieutenant, 1971, in charge of staging, and he's going to have engine 1915-70 and 1915-20, as well as tower 1911-10 in staging. So we have 2 and 1 in staging. At this time, fire attack is working, search is working, starting the primary search. If not completed yet, we'll finish that, filling that out when we get a report back from them. The vent team has gone to the roof. When they're done with their vent, we're going to have them secure the utilities, and then we'll mark that off. At this point, we just got the report back that primary search has been completed and it's clear. They're going to move on to secondary search. Same crew. They did not use a lot of air. We just got a report that we got BLS standing by and staging, and we have police on the scene. They're at the front of the house, so we're going to put their car right in the front where it's usually in the way for the ladder truck. We've just gotten a report from the roof vent being completed, and they've come down and they have secured the utilities. We've got water supply being handled by engine 1550. And their officer is Lieutenant 1973. And they're feeding engine 1500. We've gotten a report back that the fire has been darkened down and the searches are continuing but not completed the secondary search yet. At this time, we called for a PAR. Command has gotten word back from all units that they are present and accounted for, and the time is 1400. If they had not gotten there all clear, present accounted for, we would check off deploy fast RIT team, and we would have sent them to work from their position in staging on the front lawn. At this point, we've gotten a report back that the fire is out and they're going to start overhaul, but the fire attack crew is going to need to be changed out. We're going to they're setting up rehab. We're going to use the BLS unit for the rehab, and we're going to change out our engine 1500. They're going to go to rehab, and we're going to bring in 1520 to replace them, and they have 4 in their crew. They're going to go in and mop up. At this point, we've got the electric and gas on scene, as well as the water department. The crews are all making good progress with their tasks, and we did not have any problem with our exposure of our special hazard here. At this point, it's being declared under control, and we're gonna wrap it up.